9:43, a weather alert for you. Boy, we are going to get hit with some rain, and some of it, you say some could be severe. The possibility, at least, right, Jennifer?
Oh, yes. There's definitely this possibility of isolated severe storms. But first, let's talk about the big picture. It is all due to potential tropical cyclone number 18. Hurricane hunters investigating right now. They will stay out there through the early afternoon hours. They're trying to pinpoint a center of circulation with this, but it does look better organized on satellite. However, regardless of development, it is already producing some heavy rainfall in parts of western Cuba, and eventually that's coming our way too. Here's a look at the forecast cone. By tonight, overnight hours, the core of what could be Tropical Storm Philippe will be to the southeast of us, scraping our coast. Then by tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. over the northwestern Bahamas, and then out over the open waters of the Atlantic Ocean. So maximum sustained winds that are 35 miles per hour. Of course, this could strengthen. Rainfall amounts 2 to 4 inches for South Florida, the Keys, isolated higher amounts Cuba and the northern Bahamas between 4 to 8 inches and higher than that as well. Closer to home, tropical storm warning in effect for coastal waters from Palm Beach County down through the 7 Mile Bridge and out in the Gulf Stream. Let's zoom in on the radar. So we're starting to see a heavier band setting up south of the Keys over the Florida Straits. Some heavy rainfall in this batch. This will continue to lift on northward, so eventually the rain is coming our way. Also, seas are deteriorating out there, so it's definitely not a boating day. Dangerous marine conditions by this afternoon. Winds 30 to 40 knots over the ocean, gusts up to 50. Pretty significant there. Seas increasing 5 to 8 feet. Here's a look at the forecast model as far as timing. By 11 a.m. the Keys, you're going to have some heavy rainfall. It's going to spread northward through the early afternoon hours is what it could look like out there at 2 p.m. All of South Florida under heavy rain. It just continues on through the evening and into tonight. So by midnight, we're still under some potentially strong storms out there and heavy rain. But then notice out west, it starts to clear out. So overnight, by 5 a.m. tomorrow, just some leftover showers. And then by Sunday afternoon, we will clear things out. Again, rainfall amounts anywhere between 2 to 4 inches through today into early tomorrow morning. And then by Sunday afternoon, it's actually going to feel nice. We just have to deal with the rainfall first. And also keep in mind, if you're heading out and about today, to stay aware of the weather. Download the Weather Authority app and the Max Tracker as well, so you stay up to date on those warnings if there are severe thunderstorms out there. That way you can go indoors, take shelter. Rain early tomorrow morning, and then the sunshine returns, especially Monday, but we're waking up in the 50s, so it's going to be a nice cool down behind this front. And you know what? It's going to stay nice and comfortable and dry for Halloween. Nikki.